audible, you are visible. What about me? So good afternoon. How are you doing?
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm good. Thanks for asking. How are you?
Yes, I'm doing good too. Thank you. So I see that it's very cold there today.
Yes, it is very cold, you can say.
What's the temperature?
Uh, I don't know what is the temperature exactly, but yes, it is cold. I'm feeling that's why.
Yes, yes. Okay, please introduce yourself.
Thank you so much for giving me the chance for introducing myself. My name is Arun Kumar, and I am from UP, basically district Bagpat.
Okay.
And if I talk about my profession, so I am a teacher. English is being taught by me in a private school. And yes, apart from this, I'm a little or a small YouTuber, you can say. My channel name is Learn English with AK. So where I just upload my English speaking videos, how we can speak English or how we can learn this beautiful language easily. And last month I just got 1K subscribers, and I'm so happy for that.
Wow.
I have watched your so many videos, and yeah, I because I'm also in the habit of watching English content on YouTube. So mostly I watched many YouTubers video, and in that you are also as well.
One of them.
I love your content, and I love the way you just have the conversation with the people. I'm
Mm.
happy.
Thank you. When did you start your YouTube journey?
I have been running my YouTube channel for 9 months, you can say. In 3rd of April, I started.
Okay, okay. Right. Only this year, right? In the same year, you've completed your set goal, right? For YouTube.
The second role is left. Yeah, of course. But before completing the year, I would definitely complete this task also. 4,000
Mm.
watch time. You know very well. that's
Yes. So how?
that's why I
So are you?
convert.
No,
Okay,
no, you
you
go
just,
first. No, you go first.
okay. That's why I started to make the conversational video. It is longer than that what I used to upload before. So
Mm.
that is the main reason I am just having the having the conversational videos, so I can achieve that second goal as soon as possible.
Right. Yes, because people are able to relate to it when you have conversation with people. It's like real life conversation, right? So they can see and learn.
Absolutely, absolutely. And
Mm.
this is also the beneficial thing, because we are having the sessions, so we are transferring or communicate with the different people and our ideas and thoughts as well. So this is also the another thing we are practicing for, because we are here for practicing as well. So
Yes, yes.
that's why this is very good thing in my opinion.
It's all, yeah, it's both learning and entertaining also, right? Because you get friends, you can talk to a lot of people from different parts of the world. And it's very nice. It's engaging, actually. You also are having fun doing it, and people who are watching it also are learning.
Absolutely, ma'am. Absolutely. And I used to have the enjoyment as well when I used to talk with the different people. So it is my hobby, you can say. I love to talk with a stranger or the different people, because the beauty. See, I'm speaking with you from the UP, or you are the different place. The other is different place. So they just talk with each other for what we can say, exchange the experience, good experience, bad experience, everything.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
this is how we can improve ourselves, that what we should do, what we should not do, and this is the
Mhm.
good thing, bad thing, right?
Exactly, exactly. Yes. So are you in school right now?
No, I'm at my home. The holidays are going on, you can
Winter
say, the
vacations.
winter vacation. So
Mm.
that's why today I'm free, totally free. So I send you message that, ma'am, today I'm free, so we can have the conversation.
Mm. But usually when you're working, you're busy only in the afternoons, right? 1 to 2. But now that you have a day off, I think whole day you're free.
Yeah.
Yes. So did you take your lunch?
Yes, absolutely. I took my lunch, and what about you?
Yes, just finished lunch.
Okay, so how is the weather where you live?
It is quite cold. Today it is even more cold. I think it is around 17, 18.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, that's it.
So which part from you come from? I
Karnataka. Karnataka.
oh, really sorry, I forgot. Karnataka.
Mhm.
Okay. So Kannada is spoken over there, if I'm
Kannada.
not
Yes, Kannada.
Kannada. Yeah, yeah,
Mm.
Kannada. Okay. So do you know Hindi as well? Proper?
Yeah, I know Hindi. I know Hindi. Yes.
Okay. So, ma'am, please share your experience. How you are just, how did you start your YouTube channel? What were the things you thought in your mind to start the YouTube channel? Or please, I
Mm.
want
Yeah.
to know.
Initially, I started working as the tutor of spoken English. I worked for a platform called Inktalki. So when I started working for that, I would get learners who were also YouTubers who would have conversations like this and upload it on their channel. So that is the time when I discovered that people are doing this, having conversations and putting it on YouTube. So I thought it was really fun, you know. Even I like doing this, and I thought like, okay, this is good thing to do. You can have fun, you can have conversations, and you can have your own channel as well. So it felt like a golden opportunity for me. That's the reason I started my own YouTube channel. From the end of October, I have been uploading conversations. End of October, but I started it in September. I just posted one video in September. So from October, I've been consistent. So it's been 3 months now, and the journey is quite good. So many
Yeah.
people reaching out, talking to so many people, not only from India, from outside as well. So it's very nice.
Yes. 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 I observed the things that the other different countries also people they are having the conversation, and that is
Mm.
very good. That is very
Yes,
good.
yes.
Can you please, share your thoughts and ideas that how we can learn this beautiful language as soon as possible? Because there are so many people they want to learn English in within a month, within a 10 days, or maybe these kind of thinking the people have. So, what do you think about that?
I think that, learning is a continuous process. You don't have to set a goal like, in 1 month I'm going to learn, in 10 days I'm going to learn. No, I've learned it, but I'm still learning it. There is no limits to learning. So I would say don't be in a hurry, don't be in a rush, take your time. And it depends on how much time you're giving for the language. If you're giving only 10 to 15 minutes a day, it's going to take a lot of time for you to become fluent. But if you're giving the whole day you're thinking in English, so it might improve faster. So I would say do the basics that all do: reading, writing, listening, speaking. Surround yourself with English. You start thinking in English. So that's definitely going to help you become fluent.
Okay, yeah, absolutely. Okay, so one question is also there. What do you think that how we can learn English alone at home? Because there are so many people they comment me that, sir, please tell us that how we can learn this beautiful language alone at home. So what
Hmm.
is your
Yes,
opinion?
this reading, writing, listening, it can be done alone. So there is no doubt to that. But for the speaking part, I would say, the same things you have to record yourself. Choose any topic, talk about it, and record yourself. Recording is very important. You can also do the mirror talk, but I would say recording is because you are able to track your progress. You can see, you can replay whatever you have told, and you can see what mistakes you're doing in the video. And then you can work on yourself, improve yourself until the next video that you watch, you are satisfied with your progress. So that is going to kind of give you extra confidence that I am improving. I'm going to do this one fine day. I'm going to be fluent. So I would say recording yourself, mirror talking. You can also do shadowing as well. Shadowing is like, I'm speaking like this, and you have to speak along with me. You should not wait for me to finish. Just like a shadow, follow me like that. So that way you can pick up the pronunciation and the way I am making sentences. Not me, whomever you're watching. If you like that person, and if you want to speak like that person, so just follow their words like a shadow.
Right,
So this
right.
is also an amazing technique. And I think, yes, that should be able to help you with your speaking practice.
Okay, so one question raises here that if we are going to practice like you are speaking, so who will judge us? Means how we can get that I'm here wrong.
Feedback.
Yeah, feedback. Yeah, please.
See, I would say that, you have to be your own guide and mentor in this, because nobody is going to judge you. I think most of the people, what they say is, I know that this is wrong. I know I'm going to make a mistake. And when I see my video, I realize that I shouldn't have said this. So I believe that most of the people know the grammar rules. But
Yeah.
if you are specific that you need feedback, then you have to learn from a tutor. I know if it like, some people are not able to afford going to a tutor and learning. I know that is a major thing. But if you want that constructive feedback, at least once a while, you should learn from a tutor, because it is their job to guide you, to tell you where you're doing mistake or where you have to improve. So if you
Right.
can, I would say definitely learn from tutors.
Okay, yeah, absolutely. But if the person is there who is not that much capable to have the session with the tutor, or means he is not able to spend or invest some money, so in that case what he has to do?
Yeah, there are some learning apps, right, which provide you free talk time like 20 minutes, 30 minutes per day. So I think you can have speaking practice from there. But if you want feedback, obviously you need some person who is better than you to give a feedback, right? And you won't get that person free of cost. You definitely have to pay to get feedback. That is the sad reality. Nobody's going to do it for free for you, right? So if you're very particular that I need a feedback from someone else, then you have to pay for a tutor.
Absolutely, absolutely. I know very well, but in terms of these people, I'm asking you this kind of question so that this video tells, this video will tell these people that how these questions answers you are getting, right?
Yeah. Instead of making a solo video, you're making me tell everything for your video, right?
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. See, why? Because the people are watching our videos, so they
Yes.
want whatever they want. We know very well. So,
Mm.
like, how we can share, or how we can share our experience like this in our question. Like they have the question in their mind, so
Yes.
we know what are the questions running in their mind. So
Mm.
on that, what they think. So, like, how we can just ask the question and reply them
Mm.
without
Right.
facing these people. So they are watching
Mm.
us. This we can just share.
Yes,
Like
some people are even so afraid to comment or even ask, right? So it is better we answer it before they ask us.
yeah.
So you tell me, you are a teacher. Do you have any more additional tips than what I have told?
See what I do. Okay, I share what I do.
Mm.
In school, if I talk about, so see, there are the people different having the mindset like grammar is not important, and some people think that grammar is very important. Without grammar, we cannot speak. So
Yes, yes.
now I want to talk on that, because we know very well that we are learning English. So somewhere, in my opinion, grammar is important. Why? Because it is very important to know how we can frame the sentences. Basic grammar, at least you need to know. So for that, what I do in school, the students, I tell, like, the first step is you need to learn the verbs, because without verbs you cannot frame the sentences, you cannot make the sentences, you cannot speak.
Right.
So first stage is in build the vocabulary, build the verbs, right? And then I just convert these students to making the sentences like present indefinite, continuous, basic only, or maybe these basics topics are like 7 or 8 in my chapter, you can say. So
Mm. Mhm.
these 7 or 8 topics, when I teach them and they understand very well, and you cannot trust that on these 7 topics they started to teach as well. They started to speak as well.
Mm. Right.
Yeah. Yeah. So now this is the first stage we complete, and then we go to the advanced level, like the listening part. And see, from starting also the listening part is going on. But yes, the second stage is more listen the difficulties. What are the difficulties you are facing? So
Mm.
just that and just improve your vocabulary. Different
Mm.
synonyms, like what is the synonyms of improve, what is the synonyms of like many more
Yes.
verbs.
Words.
So like this you can just improve. So like this I just teach students, I just make them these comfortable that they can speak English. This is
Mm.
my style, or you can say.
Yes, yes. Firstly, don't focus on your grammar like totally, because some people are so scared that grammar is there, so I can't learn this language. You can still learn, but in order to convey the message properly and to form a proper sentence structure, grammar is important. If there, for example, I coming there, it is understood you coming there, but I'm going to come there seems more grammatically correct. So
Yeah.
that is the only issue. You don't have to spoil your head over grammar in the initial stages.
Right, right.
Mhm.
And the people also run after the perfection. That first of all,
Mhm.
let me complete everything, then I can speak English. No, it is
Mm.
not.
No.
You are
No.
somewhere wrong, or you are mistaken if you are thinking like this.
Yes,
See,
yes,
nobody is perfect, and do not run after the perfection, because how perfection comes while practicing, right?
yes,
If you are not doing the practice, if you are not giving that time to have the practice, so how it is possible that you can speak this? And
yes.
speaking comes by speaking, so obviously you have to speak. And
Mm.
why we speaking? Because we think that somebody will judge us, they
Yes,
will
yes.
make thoughts, and like, right, these things we are having. So I always speak like brother, or like everyone, that you should not think like these kind of thing. See, do the mistakes. I am speaking, do the mistakes, whatever mistakes you are doing, then by the mistakes you are going to learn many
Yes,
things.
yes. Definitely, because first you have to focus on your fluency. First, learn to speak. Later, you can work on your accuracy where you're making mistakes coming, right? Okay, first focus on your fluency. That's what even I tell.
Absolutely. So this is how we can just, in my opinion, we can learn English. And I learned like this. So this is the
Yes,
experience
yes.
I'm.
Yes, your English is quite good, obviously, because you're an English teacher as well. So,
But
mm,
even then I'm improving my English. I'm not saying that I have learned English and I can speak, or I'm able to speak, so definitely I should stop myself. No, I'm not gonna do like these kind of thing. I'm improving day by day, or whatever the opinion, or suggestions the people are giving me. So obviously I'm gonna take that as a positive views, or obviously I'm gonna improve a little.
mm,
It doesn't mean that I'm a teacher, so definitely everything is known by me. No, it is not like that.
no. Nobody is
See,
perfect.
yes. And I had the session with one retired principal, or maybe I forgot the name. Grammar with Manju ma'am. Yeah, the channel name I learned. So after having the retirement, they are also in the practice. So this is how we can just learn from these people. Like everyone is in the learning process, and till the death we can learn. We are learning everywhere. It is
Yes.
our positive things that what we think about everything.
And it's not always about necessity, right? Because there are old people who are retired, who have grandchildren, still they want to learn this language. So I sometimes wonder, sometimes, why do you need this at this age? But it's all not always about necessity. It's about passion. They want to do it, they're doing it. That's it.
Yes, yes, absolutely, ma'am, absolutely.
Mhm.
It is
So,
very. Yeah,
do you
video is
have any
complete.
more questions? Or we'll end the session.
Yeah, we will end the session, and thank you very much for giving me your precious time, ma'am. And I had been, trying to have the conversation with you,
Yeah.
very well. And today
Yes. Yes.
it is completed, and I'm so
Mm.
happy. And this was the very beautiful conversation which I had with you. Thank
Mm.
you.
Same here. And lastly, I should have told this first. I wish you a happy new year. So I hope this new year comes with a lot of surprises and happiness for you.
Same here, ma'am. Same here. Thank you so much. And I also wish that whatever you want to achieve in your life, so definitely you can achieve.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, you have a good day. Bye bye.
You same here. Same to you.